Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix Bluetooth problem if it is not connecting to your wireless devices, your earbuds, speakers. So let's start the video friends, how you can connect in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video. Firstly, you have to just long press your power button and power of your device. Then friends, secondly, you have to just press the volume up button and power button at the same time, and when the logo appears you have to release the power button. So you can see it is showing the Android version. You can see it is powered by Android. You have to release the power button and release the volume up button. Now it is showing the no command, so you have to don't panic here if your screen is not working. So then press volume button and press one time this volume up button to open the recovery mode. So then you have to simply reboot your smartphone. You can see your screen still not working. Just press this power button to press OK to reboot your smartphone and wait until it's open. Friends, you can see it is now rebooted successfully. Then the second step you have to do is go to the settings, click on search, and here you can write applications. Here click on see all application, write in the search Bluetooth, and you can see here it is Bluetooth. You have to click on this install unknown application. You can just enable it for a second. If your device is connecting you can enable and then disable it. Then friends, you have to click on simply search here and write here reset options, and you have to just simply reset your Bluetooth settings, and you can see Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully, and now this problem will be completely solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.